Hey there! Welcome to the Condo channel, your go-to place for everything condo decor. If you are living in a small space, you know how challenging it can be to make it stylish and functional without spending a fortune. But don't worry, today we're diving into the wonderful world of upcycling furniture to maximize your space without breaking the bank. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more creative and budget-friendly tips for your condo. Also, don't forget to like and comment below if you have any upcycling ideas or questions you'd like us to answer in future videos. Upcycling is a fantastic way to breathe new life into old furniture and make it fit perfectly in your condo. Whether it's a thrifted chair or a vintage table, we'll show you how to turn these pieces into something unique and functional for your small space. Upcycling is a creative and cost-effective solution for condo dwellers who want to refresh their living spaces without buying brand new furniture. The best part? You can customize it to your taste. Whether you are into modern, rustic, or industrial vibes, upcycling allows you to create a piece that truly reflects your personality. Plus, it's a sustainable choice. Instead of throwing away perfectly good furniture, you are giving it a second life and reducing waste, which is a huge win for the planet. In a world where sustainability is becoming more important, upcycling is a simple yet impactful way to make a difference. Finally, upcycling gives you the freedom to create something that fits perfectly in your condo's space, no matter how small. Many times, old furniture can be modified to serve multiple purposes, making it ideal for compact living environments. Before you dive in, it's important to assess what you have available. Look around your condo and identify pieces of furniture that you might no longer be using or that are in need of a little love. A fresh coat of paint, new hardware, or some upholstery could make all the difference. Start with simple projects. If you are new to upcycling, try transforming small furniture pieces like side tables or chairs. These projects are less overwhelming, and they'll help you build confidence for larger pieces like bookshelves or dressers. Gather the right tools and materials. Basic supplies include sandpaper, paint, brushes, fabric, and screws. Don't forget to protect your work surface and wear gloves. You can also find tons of tutorials online to guide you through each process. Repurposing is one of the easiest ways to upcycle furniture in a condo. A great example is transforming an old bookshelf into a television stand. You can remove the shelves, add a fresh coat of paint, and voila, a stylish and functional new piece. Another simple project is repurposing a vintage ladder into a unique wall rack for towels or plants. By giving it a little sanding and perhaps a bright new color, you can turn an old item into something that fits your condo's decor. Repurposing doesn't always have to mean turning a piece into something entirely new. Sometimes it just means finding a new function for something. An old crate can be a great storage solution, or an outdated mirror frame could be turned into a beautiful wall art piece. One of the simplest and most effective ways to upcycle furniture is by giving it a fresh coat of paint. Whether it's a faded coffee table or an old dresser, paint can completely transform the look of any piece. Choose a color that complements your condo's palette, or go bold with a statement color to add personality. When painting furniture, it's important to prepare the surface properly. Start by sanding the piece to remove any old paint or finish, then apply a coat of primer to ensure the paint adheres well. After the primer dries, apply the paint in smooth, even layers for a professional-looking finish. Consider adding some finishing touches like stenciling or distressing for a more personalized look. These small details can elevate a simple painted piece into something that feels high-end and tailored to your space. Upholstering is a fantastic way to breathe new life into old chairs, couches, or ottomans. If you have a chair with good bones but outdated fabric, consider reupholstering it to fit your style. Choose a fabric that reflects the mood of your condo and feels comfortable for everyday use. be intimidated by reupholstering. It's easier than you might think. With some basic tools like a staple gun and fabric, you can remove the old fabric and replace it with something fresh. Plus, there are plenty of online tutorials that can guide you step by step through the process. Even if you don't want to fully reupholster a piece, you can always add throw pillows or a slipcover to give your furniture a fresh, new look. It's a quick, inexpensive way to transform an old piece into something that feels new and fits your condo's aesthetic. One of the biggest challenges of condo living is maximizing space. That's where multifunctional furniture comes in. Upcycling allows you to transform a single piece into multiple functions. For example, an old trunk can become both a coffee table and extra storage. Consider upcycling a bookshelf into a room divider or turning an old bed frame into a stylish bench. By thinking outside the box, you can create pieces that serve multiple purposes and save space. In smaller spaces, every piece of furniture should serve a dual purpose. Think about how each item can work harder for you, whether it's a dining table that doubles as a work desk or a chair that converts into a guest bed. Upcycling allows you to find solutions like these that help you make the most of your space. Upcycling doesn't need to cost a lot of money. There are plenty of budget-friendly materials you can use to refresh old furniture. For example, look for affordable fabric at thrift stores or online marketplaces. You can also find cheap paint and brushes at hardware stores, especially during sales. Another great way to save money is by scavenging for free or inexpensive furniture. You can find hidden gems at flea markets, yard sales, or online classifieds. With a little creativity, a second-hand piece can be transformed into something that looks brand new. If you are looking for unique textures, consider using reclaimed wood, fabric scraps, or old clothing for your upcycling projects. These materials not only give your furniture a one-of-a-kind look, but also help you stick to a budget while being eco-friendly. Thanks so much for watching today's video on upcycling furniture for small condo spaces. I hope these ideas inspire you to start giving your old furniture a new life. Don't forget to subscribe to the Go Condo channel for more helpful tips and tricks on condo decor. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let us know what furniture pieces you plan to upcycle or any ideas you'd like us to cover in future videos. We love connecting with our community. Until next time, happy upcycling and good luck with making your condo a stylish, functional space on a budget. See you in the next video.